Alright, so what we've got a Breville BT465C breakfast machine here. So what normally you would do, you would put your bread in there, you push down on this lever and it would come out toast in a minute or two's time. And what happens is a common problem with them. What happens is the resistance wire that helps it make the transition from bread to toast, that ends up just breaking off there, just somewhere on the inside, and what you end up with is just your toast. It'll be toast one side, but it'll remain bread the other, which isn't ideal. Well, no one really would be too excited about having toast that's only toast one side. So what I've come up with is a bit of a solution to stop that from happening any further.